everyone, it is Oscar, also known as I Am Muffin Place, and I'm going to be opening the booster box. I will be doing this chunk, this half today. So that's pretty thick. That thick. So we'll start opening now. I hope we pull like the ultra rare Charizard or something. Anyways, so there's the code. Metal Energy, Dedenne, Birdkeeper, Sora, Pansear, Molal, Wishy-Washy, Cuffin, Dano, Fletchling, and Vanillux. Just need to get that all there like that. That's like that, and that there. Charizard and Charizard. First 2 packs we get nothing anyways, so 2, 3, 4. Water Energy, Fluffy, Carnivine, Big Parasol, Jigglypuff, Diglett, Panpour, Spinarak, Bounsweet, Clink, and Diggersby. So I'll just put that there. On to the next pack. Ooh, white and green. Oops. I just dropped the energy. Ow. Dark Energy, Struggle Gloves, Clang, Dartrix, Pansage, Golett, Vanillite, Trapinch, Teddiursa, Puffle Energy, and Hooper Unbound Hollow. Right there. And this right there. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy, Dartrix, Staravia, Shiinotic, Purloin, Starly, Aron, Gobchu, Rowlet, Staraptor, and Granbull. Okay, so we have that up. Why am I dropping so many cards? I think we might not get anything. I don't know. So things keep dropping. Oh my gosh, what is my luck today? I don't like my luck. Luck is a bad thing. The truth is always painful. Electric, Relicanth, Zoelis, Amelia Bell, Electric, Galarian, Mr. Mime, Grimer, Clink, Skitty, Fluffy, and Hydreigon. Oh my god, another card has dropped. I'm cursed. Guys, I need one subscriber. And then the curse will go away. The whole curse. Whoa, so crazy, right? Okay, sorry about the background noise, guys. Oh. These are supposed to be good. I feel like it's Wade. I want to get one thing. Finding Energy, Gotharita, Carbu, Turbo Patch, Toxel, Sinistea, Carablast, Meltan, Marini, Big Parasol, and Ampharos. Okay, we've only got Hooper. That was a holo. So I'm expecting this booster box to have something good for me. Okay, I got a code card. I hope you're good at pausing, because you need to pause in this video a lot. Fire Energy. Dog Trio, Billowing Smoke, Heat Energy, Diglett, Panpour, Spinarak. Let me focus this camera. Bounce Sweep, Dunsparce, Goldeneye, and ooh, Salamence V Full Art. There we go. First good pull of the day, guys. Oh, well, unless you count Hooper, but hey, Hooper's only a holo. We just got a full art. Salamence V. That's a pretty card. Anyways, we still have lots to go.